Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to give you a look at this beautiful glass pitcher set with bamboo lids. Now each of these can hold 50 ounces and they can hold hot or cold liquids. So as long as the liquid is less than 300 degrees Fahrenheit, this should handle it well. And they can even be placed in the fridge to cool. Plus they are dishwasher safe, so they are going to be a breeze to clean. Whether you are using this to store everyday items like an iced coffee, your milk, creamers, or just water, or if you're using these for special occasions to serve guests with juices and mixed drinks, these are such a wonderful choice. I love the look of them. They're very sleek and simple, and I simply love the clean glass with the beautiful wooden top. You can easily see what's inside and know how much is left. So I personally love these and enjoy using them for a range of different beverages. They do have a really nice handle that's comfortable. It's large. Your hand can easily fit in here, and they have a nice little pour spout, so it's easy to pour your drinks and it's not going to make a mess. The lid does have a little silicone ring, so it does stay in nice and secure, and it's not easily going to fall out. If you guys were looking for a great set of pitchers, these are a wonderful choice. I know you guys would love them. I would definitely give them a try.